Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning from wherever you're watching me from. Right now it is around 5 here in the village. And yeah, how are you guys? How are you doing? Did you miss me? I've missed you guys a lot. I've been away for like 2 weeks. My last vlog is 15 days ago. I haven't posted for a while, and that's because Travis decided to break my phone. So I couldn't vlog because I always vlog using my phone, so I couldn't record, and that was just sad. Anyway, the problem has been solved now. I'm back like I never left. I'm chilling at the back side of my house, and today I did some work out here, just trying to, you know, get this compound clean. Yeah. So I'm chilling out here, and I decided to say hi to you guys. And as usual, if you're a new subscriber, kindly consider subscribing. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for being loyal and sticking around. I really appreciate it, guys. And don't mind the noise. As you all know, the road is just right next to me, the main road. And also don't mind my windows. They just got done, like they fell, so we had to redo them, so they're kind of still drying. We'll clean them after that. And yeah, we'll be doing some work starting tomorrow, so of which I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys, and I look forward to it. So I hope you keep it locked to enjoy the vlog, and remember to subscribe. Apart from that, kindly like, share, leave a comment. It just motivates me. And before I forget, kindly go to my sister's channel at Lydia Muhanji. I've put her account in the description box. Kindly just visit her and subscribe to her channel. Tell her you're from Rispar's channel, and we'd really appreciate you guys. Let's support her. At least she reach 100 subscribers, and we'll really appreciate you guys for that. Yeah. So guys, we we want to do the ceiling, and we just came to realize that a little bit of our roof is leaking, and we wanted to do a gypsum, but it's not going to be possible for now. So we've decided to do, what do we call it? I'll remember the name and then I'll tell you. So we've bought the materials that are needed. Here are the cements and everything that is needed to do the work that we're supposed to do. So we'll be doing the work probably tomorrow. We might start tomorrow. Let me show you. Let me stand from this angle. There. Here are all the bags of cement we've bought. There are how many? 20 bags of cement so far. And we also have some rolls for wire mesh. There we go. And then there's that one. Yeah. This is my dining area. We've cleared our dining area so that we could put these materials here. And we also got some tiles. These ones are for the kitchen counters. These tiles here, they are for the kitchen counters. They are white in color. And there are also 20 boxes. 20 boxes. And each box contains 5 tiles, 5 or 4, 4 tiles, I think. Let me see from here. How many? I think 4 tiles. Each box carries 4 tiles, and they're big. These ones are big. I think they have their measurements here. Where can I see it clearly so that I can show you guys? 600 by 600 by 9 millimeters, I think. With millimeters, I don't know. There are 4. Yeah, 4 tiles. There you go. 4 tiles in each box, and they're big. So these ones are for the kitchen countertops. Yeah. But we are starting with the ceiling. We are starting with the ceiling, guys. We are starting with the ceiling, and then after the ceiling is when we will be doing the countertops and the bathrooms. When we moved in this house, we did one bathroom. Actually, we only put the toilet. So how do you call it? Is it washing basin or something? So that we can be able to use it. But we've not tiled the walls and all that. So we'll be doing that also. But first we are starting with the ceiling, and then that will be the next project. So yeah, we are doing that tomorrow, and I'll be showing you guys how everything goes. All right, keep it locked. Rispar Muliro's channel. Okay. Guys, it's so early in the morning. People are sleeping. I don't want to wake up the kids, so I'm just showing you the progress of the dining. This is the dining area, the sitting room area. This is the condition of my sitting room right now. Just want to show you guys the progress. This is what my house looks like right now. I will explain to you guys the reason why we chose to go with this type of selling later on, alright? Let us trust the process. Let us trust the process. We're doing plastering to smoothen. Babe, babe. Nani alikuwa ashaniibia mtihani? Hey guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, so today is day 5 or day 6 of doing our ceiling. So I just wanted to show you, because one room is complete, I wanted to show you the final product so that you can see how it is all going to look like. Um, I'm just going to show you this final product and then post this vlog because I've not posted for a while. So I'm going to show you this, post the vlog, and then the next vlog you'll also be able to see now the final product of the house. But for now, let me show you the progress of which of what we've achieved so far. Okay, enjoy the vlog. So this is the final product. This is how it looks. Okay, we will have to paint. We'll have to do skimming and paint the wall, but yeah, this is what they did yesterday. Tell me, guys, what do you think? Did we make the right choice? The pipe that is where the light will be. That is why the pipe is there. So this room we wanted to do a flat ceiling. That is why it is this flat. It's just simple. It is kids' room. We didn't want to do much because, well, we both know that I have 3 kids and I don't know what they prefer yet. But I decided to keep this room simple because this is supposed to be Travis' room actually. Yeah. So this is what they did, and honestly, I'm happy with the results. At first, there's an echo. At first, I really had doubts. Let me open the window to reduce the echo. I had doubts about this. I wasn't sure if it was right, if it would look good, but guys, it's not that bad. I'm happy with the results. So we will paint, we'll do skimming, and then we'll paint it, and then after that we'll paint the entire house because as you can see it's a mess right now. Yeah. So the funders will be coming back. It is around 7 a.m. right now, so they should be here in an hour or so. So I just wanted to show you guys before they get here. What are your opinions? What do you think? When you're doing ceiling, you go for what you like. Go for what you think will look good in your house. You can do gypsum. You can do this one. There's another one. I've forgotten the name. I remember the name. To tell you guys. I've forgotten the name. So yeah, those are the results. And the corridor is yet to be plastered. Even the bathroom. Even the bathroom, we are not yet done. But today we should be doing more rooms. Today we'll be doing more rooms because we need to finish plastering this one so that we can make room for us to move things on this side. You see the way it is messy right now. It is so messy. We need to make room. We want to finish these rooms and then clean it so that we can move stuff from the other rooms. So we are trying to speed up the process because apart from this, we also need to do our kitchen, the tiling of the countertops. Yeah, so today is day 5, day 4, 5, 5 I think, yeah. Today is day 5. I was looking at someone outside, I thought it was the phone is coming, but no, it's not. So today is day 5. Oh my god, my hair is such a mess. It's early in the morning, so I'll handle it later on. Today is day 5, and we were hoping that it would be done by today, but it's not, right? It's not. But we're hoping probably by next week everything will be in place. So I just want to edit this video real quick and then post it. I think it will go down today. Yeah, I'll edit it and then post it today. And then I'll start a new vlog to show you guys everything else and how everything is going. I'm trying not to shout because people are still sleeping. But let's go outside and see. Yesterday it rained a lot, guys, that we even had floods. But today it doesn't look that bad. Today it doesn't look that bad. Yeah. So come with me as we do this village life together. We planted grass, guys, and honestly, I'm so disappointed. It's just a disappointment. Let me show you what the hell is going on here. I'm so disappointed. You see, the guy that was planting this grass, not here, because here I had to plant by myself. I did this one recently. That guy was planting grass as if he was planting vegetables. Okay? Alikuwa anatoanisha nyazi moja moja. I even told him, I thought grasses huwa wanapanda unaitaje kitita or something like that. But he was like, no, we just plant like this and then it will grow. Guys, uwanja imejaa magugu. Like, let me show you. These ones are the ones I've planted. If you can see, I've planted like these ones. Hizi ni mimi nimepanda. Alikuwa anapanda zile moja moja. And honestly, I don't see them. Kitu imejaa hapa ni magugu. Magugu ndo imejaa. I'm so disappointed. Akiona magugu. This is the whole place is filled by, what do we call this? Is it weeds or reeds? Something like that. Let me show you the other side. I am so disappointed. So the workers were working here. Yeah, hapo walikuwa nakoroga simiti. I am so disappointed. Guys, I can't wait for this house to be done with. Hey, kazi ya mafundi ni kazi ngumu. It takes a lot. It takes a lot. Moving into an unfinished house takes a lot. It's not something you can just finish in one day. It's something that drains you. It drains you. Honestly, it's not for the faint-hearted. Guys, look at the grass that they planted. Oh my goodness, just take a look. This is so disappointing. It is so disappointing. Like I expected when he was planting the grass, it will grow and it will look so beautiful. But guys, what are these? Honestly? What are these? And you know, the guy is not even accepting what he did. He's just like, oh, you know, this is what is supposed to be done. Like, what the hell? Ebu nini? Mtu tadhani tumepanda mboga. I planted some trees and they're doing well. That one I'm happy, but I don't know what to do with this place now. I'm so disappointed and nimechoka. Nimechoka. What do you guys see? Honestly, what is your take on this? What do you think? Anyway, I've just decided to replant the grass tutalima tena. Alafu I'll do the planting myself if I have to. I'll do the planting myself if I have to. Yeah, I'll do the planting myself because what? Me niko disappointed sana. I'm very disappointed. Like, what the hell? I know someone will be watching this and she'll be laughing, telling me, I told you so. I know you did. I know you did. Guys, look. Do you see what I'm talking about? I did this. Okay? And I'm happy. And also planted some veggies. But this place, a lot of water, like when it rains, a lot of water comes from the road and it goes through this kitchen garden. So there's a lot of sand soil than loam soil. Okay, like soil erosion. The water carries soil from somewhere and brings it here. Sand, I mean. Hi, Scooby. Good morning. Guys, say hi to Scooby. Good morning, Scooby. How are you? Good boy. How was your night, Scooby? Hmm? Okay, bye, Scooby. I have to go. Bye bye. Bye. And you don't make noise, okay? Yeah. So that's my kitchen garden and it's beautiful, okay? And I love the fact that even my trees, they're doing so well. It's okay, Scooby. My trees are doing so well. Guys, my trees are doing so well. And my fence has really grown. Like, oh God, I feel so proud right now, okay? Look at that. Look at my fence. Look at how green it is, okay? When I came here, I was really worried because I was thinking I didn't have any privacy at all. Okay. But now the rain gave me hope. Even though I know that sooner or later the rains will disappear again. But I will try my best to water them so that they don't wither. Okay. So that it stays green. Like, look at that. My kaipo. Look at that. It's green and beautiful. Yeah, my compound is turning green except for the grass. Everything else is doing so well. My trees, yeah. Look at this tree. My trees are doing so well. That makes me happy and proud. Except for my flowers, even my flowers are doing well. Just a minute. So, look, even my trees. There you go. So, just look. Look at the grass they planted. Ama ni mimi ndio mshamba, guys, please tell me. There's a big difference where I planted and where he planted. Huh? Where I planted, there's not this easy magugu si mingi, but come on. Look, this is where I planted. This is where I planted the grass, okay? This is where I planted mine, okay? And it has grown. No, this is where I planted mine. But guys, the guy planted the entire compound, like that side and this side, he did that. Alikuwa anapanda nyazi moja moja, anatoanisha nyazi anapanda moja. I've never seen that before. Who does that? Anapanda aje nyazi moja? Guys, I fear for this one. I hope it will be okay. I hope it will be okay. I'm so disappointed. I was thinking that by now my compound will be will look so good, like it will be beautiful with a lot of grass and stuff. But wait, anyway, some of my plants are doing well. Some of my plants are doing well, and I'm happy. That makes me happy. So someone advised me to plant some plants outside the compound. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, guys. I don't know. I think it's about time I buy a new phone. I thought I fixed this one, but it is still misbehaving. So I planted some more kaepo on this side, as you can see. This is a flower. Oh my god, this one grew on its own. I didn't plant it. This one, I didn't plant that one. I found it there. Yeah. So I'm planning to to plant some flowers outside the gate, and I don't know how it will turn out. But yeah, I'm planning to plant some flowers outside the gate. Let me move backwards so that you guys can see. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Oh my god, what's wrong with my tree? Let's check this one out. I don't know how to move while vlogging, but I'll try. This one, I don't know what has happened to this one. I don't know what has happened to it. No, it's fine, just bent. I need to put something to support it. Oh god, I don't know if I can do it well, but let me see. I need to support it so that it doesn't bend like this. I think it's because of the rain. The rains the other day. But it's not helping. What do I do now? What do I do? It's not helping it at all. It's okay. I'll find another way to support it. I think I need a taller, a longer stick than this one. So I'll go find one. I see this and I feel like crying. Oh my god, this one has revived. Like imeanza kumea tena. Unasema aje? Imechibuka, okay? Because I thought it was dead. Actually, it died. You see, it has grown. Oh my god, I thought it had died. That's so nice. Mbuzi, someone's goat. They came in and they ate some of my trees. The goats came in and ate some of my trees. So yeah, but I'm happy that it has come. It is coming out again. It has started to sprout again. That makes me happy. It means at least it didn't die. I want these trees to do well. I don't want them to die. Like, well, let me tell you something, guys. The disadvantage of living in the village, when you do something and it doesn't work out, it becomes such a big disappointment. It makes me sad. The other day, I went to visit our grandma, and she gave me some chicks to come and rear them. And guys, one of the chick died. I almost cried. I felt so sad. I almost cried. I was like, why? Imagine, I felt that kind of sadness, and yet I didn't even stayed with the chick like for even a day. She gave me five, and I was super excited. I was looking forward to taking care of them. And then one, like a sack of maize fell on one, and we didn't notice because we were in the car and they were in the boat, and it died. And that made me so sad. Losing it was so painful. And same thing applies to my plants and my trees. When something happens to them, there's just this disappointment and sadness that comes, and I'm like, oh my god, me, I don't want to fail. Like, I don't want to put my effort in something and then it doesn't work out. Okay, I know that we should learn to accept disappointment sometimes, but when you do something and it doesn't work out, I want to sit here and wait. Okay, just the fact that I did it I was looking forward to taking care of it, and it died. It made me really sad. Same to my plants. When I came and I found I had planted them with so much hope and so much love, and then someone's goats, they just came and ate almost almost all the small plants that were here, and it made me so sad. I thought of confronting the person, but I didn't see the need. I didn't see the need to go there and confront. Never do something when you're angry, honestly, because you might end up saying things. You might end up saying things that you don't want to say. Okay, yeah. So never confront someone when you're angry. You wait to calm down and then you go and talk to them. So there's a day he was passing here and I told them, "Hey, your goats, they ate my trees. Kindly take care of them. Don't let them come over." And he was like, "I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that happened, and I'll be more careful." You see, because I approached him kindly, he he didn't take it the wrong way, and since then I've not seen his goats here. So if I had gone to confront him when I was angry, I think I would have said something that I would have regretted later on. Okay, so sometimes you just need to calm down first before you confront someone. And honestly, this village people are so loving. People are so loving, and that is one thing. That is one thing I like about this place. People are loving and peaceful. Hakuna zile visirani za town. Like you have to go fight someone. Why did you let your gods into my people? No. Here people are so friendly and loving, and yeah, that is one thing I love about this place. Hakuna kukosana. Like you can't fight with people over petty things. Like you just talk it out, you sort it out peacefully, and you maintain the peace and the love in the village. Like wow, yeah. So my house is a mess right now. I keep thinking of how we are going to clean it. I keep thinking of how we'll clean it, and guys, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I keep thinking about that because we need to finish, and once we are done, kazi kwangu, I have to clean. I have to scrub the floors. I have to do it. But okay, the good thing is that when they're doing the cement up there, they put some plastic juala. Naziitaje in English? So plastic bags because they are not bags. Okay, they put these. Let me show you. Easy. They put these things. Yeah. So the cement goes on them. It doesn't go on the floor, but still there's just that dirt that needs to be tackled. So yeah, I'll have to do that myself. Come on. Barabara za kwenda Webuye ziko wapi? Because I feel like running away. Nasikia kutoroka. Anyway, I know I can do it and I'll do it. Okay, because it's my house after all. You see the way I'm feeling is just the same way other people will feel when you let them clean. So I'll do it. Okay, I'll do it. But of course, I'll ask for help. I won't be able to do this all by myself. I'll ask for help so that we can maliza haraka because this house is big. This house is big. Cleaning the entire house in one day by yourself, and that is thorough cleaning. Scrubbing and scrubbing. So mopping is different. Scrubbing is a lot. I can't do it all by myself, so I'll ask for help, and I'll take you guys with me. Okay, so you will help me as well. I mean, by watching. Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Okay, kindly subscribe. Um, yeah. So I'm going to prepare breakfast for my kids. They have to take tea, and then the food will also be here, so they will also have to take tea. I told you guys here in the village we cook for our own use. Okay, so we cook breakfast and we cook lunch as well for them because they are human beings and they get hungry. And huko kunanga mama githeri where they can go. I mean kibandaski. Akunanga. You have to cook for them because they work hard. Yeah. So I have to go prepare breakfast and start my day.